Today I found an injured bird in my school courtyard. We think it had run into a window and broken its wing. I decided to take it to my local animal rehabilitation center, Hope for Wildlife. We put it in the best box we could find and transported it using napkins and paper towel. It looked stunned and wasn't moving around a lot at first. But it quickly got used to its surroundings and began fidgeting. And soon after it began to move around a lot more and it was trying to get out. We waited until it was calm so that we could get a better look at it and figure out what bird it is. After taking a good look at it, we figured out that it was a cedar waxwing. Cedar waxwings are passeriforms, aka perching birds or songbirds. They are very beautiful birds that are rarely seen but sometimes recognized by their call. We finally arrived at our destination. The lady who we are taking this bird to is an amazing person who volunteers for Hope for Wildlife, and she is already taking in another bird who had a similar injury. She was extremely nice and gave us a card with information about the institution. Using this, we will be able to come back and visit our bird when it is fully recovered. Hope for Wildlife takes in all and any animals in need. It is an amazing place and deserves support for everything that they do. So I have left their donation link in the description for anyone who wants to support them. Stay tuned to see this bird once it recovers. Thank you for watching.